It's really simple to change your profile picture or update it. It's great to put one in because every time you do a discussion or we look at your site, we're going to see your picture or something empty. So when you go to your main dashboard for the course in Canvas, you're going to see right at the top it says account. And if you haven't done anything with your profile, it'll just have a blank picture. Just to show you how to do this, let me show you how to edit your profile. And if you wanted to put in a different picture, I'd appreciate something with picture of you, picture of your dog, picture of the universe, anything but that blank picture. So go to your account, click left, you'll see this, click on profile, and then you can edit your profile and you can change your biography. You can also, if you put your cursor over your picture, you will see this little pencil and a note that says click to change profile picture. So I'm going to left click there. And then it says upload a picture or take a picture. So you can literally take a picture of yourself sitting right in front of your computer, or I'm going to upload a picture from my computer. So it says choose a picture. I'm going to go to my photos in my computer and let's see, I know what photo I want, so I'm going to put it in. There it is. I'm going to open that up and it lets you center it however you want. It suggests that, so I'll be off center. You can even crop it. So if we go back in and we want to crop it, differently, you can do this. Make it bigger, make it smaller. So you get more person in the photo. And then you save the profile. That's important. And now, as you can see, my profile picture is different. And that's it.